Established in September 2009, Symboflex Technology Ltd. is a trusted innovator in designing and manufacturing high-performance rubber hoses, PVC hoses, and thermoplastic hoses for critical applications across industries, including agriculture, mining, food processing, and medical sectors. Strategically located at No. 56 Chuangli Road, Heshan City, Guangdong Province, our 5,000 square meter advanced facility operates 8 extrusion lines for rubber hoses and hydraulic hoses, 10 extrusion lines for PVC and thermoplastic hoses, 6 precision silicone hose systems, with a monthly output of 500 tons of rubber hoses, 60,000 meters of PVC hoses, and 30,000 meters of air distribution ducts. We deliver scalable solutions to meet global demands. We have served more than 1,000 customers from global industrial market. Certified reliability. Our commitment to quality is rigorously validated by ISO 9001 certification, ensuring consistent excellence in design, production, and service. MSHA compliance, meeting stringent safety standards for mining and heavy industrial applications. Global recognition. Symboflex hoses are the choice of professionals in over 60 countries, with proven performance in regions requiring extreme adaptability. South America, resilient solutions for mining and agriculture. Europe and Middle East, precision-grade hoses for food processing and oil and gas industries. Southeast Asia, durable fluid transfer systems for tropical climates. Brand promise, where flexibility meets endurance. Since launching our flagship brand Symboflex in 2009, we have embodied the philosophy of flexibility empowered by trust. From material innovation to global partnerships, we engineer hoses that bend to challenges but never compromise on safety or longevity. Symboflex, where flexibility meets endurance.